I wrote for 30 minutes in my journal about this mistake. Yes, I still write in my journal. Not every day like you need to right now, but yes, I do. In moments that are very crucial to me, it's therapeutic for me, and it ensures that I never do it again. Do you understand? Never again. Never. I want you to go here, right there. So this is in the app. This is in late in the trading day, right? And I just kind of walked to my computer. I wasn't trading at the time. I walked to my computer. I'm like, oh shoot, there's like maybe about 30 minutes, a little bit more than 30 minutes to go. And I see this drop in JPM. I'm like, damn, this was so perfect right there. If I was here, I would just try this. Right, this the taking out of this green bar right up near the 200 here. I would take that. All right, I know we got this strong bar up here, but this bar is so big that it's almost too big. Like it's almost like 1, 2, 3, 4 elephant bars up. That's just too much. You can have too much of a good thing. You can shoot so many bullets, green bullets, that there's no more green bullets left. That's just too much. So there's a difference between a strong bar to the left and a too much bar to the left. This is a too much bar to the left. And so this leads me to believe that all the people who have these profits are not going to want to lose these profits if this starts dropping. So they're going to start selling, driving this down. All right. So anyway, so I'm like, shoot, I wish I had walked to my computer here. Now the stock is there. I'm like, you know what? If this low goes, I should short this. But here comes my thinking. This is why I hate thinking in trading. My thinking's like, but we're so far off the high. Shoot, it's already dropped this far. We're right near the origin of a powerful move up. We got 2 dual tails here. This is the support area. Not going to do it. That was my error. I let my knowledge get in the way of the tactic, this highly reliable tactic. You see, my short was there. I would have doubled my profits that day had I just done what I know and not reacted from what I thought. I know this, guys. I know that sharp drop, pause, break the pause, boom, you got another leg. I know this. But I let my knowledge get in the way of what I know. That sounds weird, but I tried to be too smart. And so look at what I missed. There it is again. Look how far you are. I don't care how far down you are. Do it again. Small rattle, small pause. I don't care how far you are. Do it again. In fact, let me take you even further with this. The deeper you are, the more reliable. So it's counterintuitive. It's like the further down you dropped, the more you're going to be consistent, the more reliable this is. It's actually less reliable if the drop hasn't gone that far. So the deeper you are, the more reliable it is. Don't let a single one go. Is this perfect? No, you will stop out sometimes, but I guarantee you that stop out will be small. Now, take a look at this one. This one did not stop you out because you've got to trade below that low. You gotta let that low of the pause. There's your pause. You gotta, that low's gotta go. Your entry is here. All right. Boom. Now you got another one. Get this one too. Boom. You got another one. Get this one too. Stop. Boom. And I missed this one and that one. I was disgusted. See, I'm almost never disgusted. There are times, it's rare, but I'm almost never disgusted by a trading loss. Like that's me. That I understand that this is a game of wins and losses. You can't ever eliminate a trading loss. You can't. You're always going to have trading losses. It's just a part of the game. You can't expect, like a master championship poker player doesn't expect to win every single hand. He just expects to be at the end of this poker series. He expects to be at the championship table, but he didn't win every hand to get at the championship table. I understand trading losses. What I'm most bothered by is when I was there. This money, and I didn't act, this money is mine. Do you understand? Mine, mine, mine. And I allowed it to slip through my hands. I picked up my, not at that time. I don't like to journal immediately after I realize something. I don't like that. I have to sit with it. I sat with this all day. I went over and over and over again in my mind the scenario. And that's when it came to me. Oliver, the deeper the drop, the better it is. The further away from the moving averages, the better it is. It's not riskier, it's better. This is one of those scenarios where far away is good. And I want you to add this to one of your top plays. When the market is dropping all over the place, we will get this frequently because of what the world is experiencing now. You're going to get the market dropping hard at moments. Then you're going to just be like a salivating wolf, man, waiting for these things to set up. Go to any stock on your list that has dropped hard and is now giving you this little pause bar. And I'm telling you, you do every single one from that one. What stops this? A power violent bar in the opposite direction. Now the game's over, right? But as long as you don't get that, I want you doing every single one.